I'm in this trade right now. Pretty much been bouncing around, just around break even. But yeah, so we pretty much had this white line right here were our all-time highs previously coming into yesterday's session. We broke out yesterday. If you were able to catch that move like I was, definitely congrats. It was a fire trade. With that being said, these all-time highs are now currently acting as a resistance turned into support. So I like to call those RS flips, resistance, support, flip. But essentially what happened was that line, those all-time highs were our resistance. We struggled to break through. I'll switch time frames, go to the hourly real quick. You can see that we had, one test, two tests, three tests, a few different tests. So the idea coming into yesterday was that, how many sellers can potentially be left at this area now that we've kind of tested it multiple times. And now that we're using this same level as a support is a very good sign for the bulls. They're not necessarily showing an incredible amount of strength just yet, but I do like this volume candle, or the volume that came in on this candle after the unemployment claims release. So we're gonna see how this plays out. About right here is the level I'm looking to get a close over and a move over towards at least like the 40s, 45s, and then potentially towards that futures opening print at around 56. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for right now. Yeah, that's pretty much the play. So we will stay patient and just kind of see how this plays out. This is trading, just being patient. Oh man, tired. One second. Hello. That's taking a call in the middle of a trade. If this fails, I'll be probably a lot less interested, potentially. If we get this breakout, I may potentially look to add here. Stops would be probably like 10 points, 7 points, maybe even. I like the strength. Added there. Around 28 stops on this one. 17. Yeah, open's really gonna determine how this does. Still has a chance, but open's gonna tell the tale. Come on, baby. Do I want to go trade crude? I gotta monitor this though. Focus on NQ for now. Potential double top. We gotta break through that. Market opens in just about 30 seconds. Looking for a push straight through. Give me some fills. And lock it in. And see continuation. First PTs is about 10 points away. Looks strong going in the open. Bell's about to ring. Give me a fill. You're right there. Give me a fill. 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 Oh, don't twerk on the PT like that. Don't twerk on the PT like that, bro. No way. My order was for 45.75. This is high. 45.25. This is a joke. There you go. 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 Come on. Go. Don't play around like that, buddy. Come on. Oh, that's crazy business, bro. Wow. 2 ticks away from PT. 2 ticks. That's crazy, bro. I really gotta start front running myself. Come on, baby. Come on, you got this. There you go. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Right there. There we go. Took first lot off. First lot is secured. Now we're looking for our second exit around opening print. Futures opening print, that is. Around that 55 area. Potentially, I'm gonna move stops to break even as well. At or about, what's the low of this candle? The low of this candle is 26.25. I'll move my stops to about 25. Just to protect myself some more. So no matter what, this will be, this second exit won't be green, but overall the trade itself will be. Just looking for a little bit more, literally 5 points away from, it did a little pullback, literally, bro. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I was quiet for a second because I was definitely gonna be kind of sick if, you know, it went 2 ticks away from my first price target and didn't lock me in, but I trusted the play, trusted my stops, and, you know, let it do its thing. Sometimes that's how NQ is. You know, it'll play around with you a little bit. And plus, that was the first opening candle. I trusted the setup. I know where it's going. So, you know, should be able to get locked in here and be all done for the day. We are approaching the high of this range, so I just want to be sure to lock in those gains. We consolidated overnight, obviously. So we just got this big box, like right here. So we can break out of it eventually, but if the breakout is something I want to play, then I'll play it. But right now, my play is to lock in up here. We're still literally 2-3 points away from that PT. Come on, baby. Gonna move stops up again to around 34s. Move stops up just because, I mean, bro, if this happens again, I won't even bother to sit through it. I'll just lock it in, call it a day. Potentially gonna get stopped. It's a lot of upper wicks here as we're, again, to be expected. You know, we're hitting the high range here. So that's why I move stops up. Don't really want to be bothered with it if it doesn't want to. We were literally 3 points from where I have my limit order sitting. So, you know, either it hits or I get stopped out in the green at this point. Either way, decent trade. And I am all out for just a little over $1,000 on the day here. So, you know, sometimes that's how it goes. You know, I tried to give it a chance. I had my limit order sitting. Hindsight would say, you know, Lito, you were 3 points away. You should have just locked it in. Yeah, but I wanted to give it a chance. I did think, you know, much like what happened here, after that subtle little pullback, that it had the potential to keep going, but nonetheless, we are, like I said, approached the high of that range. Don't really want to mess with it. And obviously, you know, we would have gotten more around my entry, so it would have been about break even. But yeah, solid play. What is that? 1085 on the day. I will certainly take that. Good bread. And yeah, that's pretty much the trade that I saw. Also, amazing cut on NQ. Amazing cut. At least that's how it looks right now. You know, it's one of those things, because, you know, very well I may look at this later and say, wow, broke out again. So as always, guys, I am Lito. I create art for today and wealth for tomorrow. If you want to trade like me, definitely send me a DM, send me an email, send me whatever. Just get in contact, get in communication, and I would love to see, how I can help you. With that being said, I will see you guys on the next video.